Hello viewers, how are you? Today I'll show you how to use the tap clean option in LG washing machine. At first you have to power on the machine and open the door. Put a small towel or something, cloth also okay, cotton or like a towel. This is for absorbing the dust and dirty things. This I am putting for the better result, and you have to must using like this powder or liquid. This is for washing machine drum cleaner. If you're using first time, you have to put 250 gram, and if you're using tap clean option daily, you have to put 100 gram daily. Then you can get better result. So I'm closing the door. Then here I have instruction line how to tap clean the washing machine. Press and hold 3 seconds for the tap clean function. This time delay and pre-wash you have to press together like this. Then here will show ECL, sorry, TCL. That's main tap clean function. Then if you press the start button, it will going to tap clean. And here detecting automatic time. After detected time, it will work. No need to select this knob and anything. This taking automatically. See, here detecting 1 hour and 23 minutes. So I have a request for everyone. If you think you're helpful for this video, please subscribe my channel for the new update. Thank you everyone for the watching my video.